Beautiful evening. Had quite a few hours more work in the evening today. Pile is rising here, but I also realized waterfall is beginning now. Just started 5 minutes ago. At least I heard it 5 minutes ago. And it wasn't half an hour ago yet. So I've got to stop for today. Yeah, I was just bringing water from here about quarter an hour ago, and I saw it, water was rising, but it wasn't very much, so I didn't expect any waterfall today. That means the water is rising fast, waterfall. I got to pack my stuff and cover things in a cave with plastic, but is not covered yet. So I made quite a good progress today. I'm quite happy with that. I'm listening audiobook same time, so it doesn't waste my time. Listening Tragedy and Hope by Carol Quigley. Now is already 105, so almost finished. 110 series, 110 hour-long recordings, so 5 more to go. Beautiful evening. Anyway, I guess a couple of more days and it should be done. I wouldn't go up to the end because I want to see how stable it is. Maybe it's gonna fall and I got to stabilize this with some bigger rocks. We'll see how do I do. I need rocks elsewhere, big rocks. So first I leave a little bit of space here and see how it will. What is that? Anyway, plenty of garbage from here. From a pile of rubble, construction rubble. The waterfall is speeding up, so I have no guarantee that it will stop. So in such cases I run after potable water quickly. I filled up the shower bottle. One was already leaking, so I gave it back to shop, and I'm waiting for another type now. So I filled up this water bottle and I'm running now down the hill to a public water source. The point is that usually it's 24 hours, and slowly in few hours, if it's speeding up so fast, in few hours it may arrive here, and then in half a day it begins to drip through the cave. Not always, but sometimes. So when it's dripping all from the cave ceiling, which I need to fix with these panels here, so it wouldn't drip on my head anymore. But anyway, as long as it's not fixed yet, I don't know if I can conveniently get out of a cave. So technically I can. I'm not made of sugar, of course. I'm not gonna be diluted by water on my head, but it's more convenient to stay in cave when it's raining inside the cave. I mean in the tent, which is covered also with a tarp. when it's raining inside the cave. So that's my project now, go after the water, and if needed I'll stay tomorrow all day in the cave and work on my project on internet. What a beautiful evening. It's a nice pleasant walk. Water source, closest one is there, very under the bridge, under a viaduct where is the bus station. But I got to go all around there and go back there. Other way is also going here. Maybe I'll go today from this way. It's just too steep down the hill, unpleasant walking. It's just here it's more beautiful view to look the hills, just to have a nice walk with meditation same time. As I'm not in a hurry yet, I have at least few hours before the water arrives till my cave entrance. The color has stayed quite well. It's a couple of months ago I painted it, but only here it needs to be scratched with iron brush and repainted. But from this view it's good enough for cars to see at night, so it's not urgent to paint it over. And here is also paint staying quite well. Since I put the rocks here, nobody has blocked my entrance to the garden anymore with the car, which has happened quite a few times before. I had no choice than to put these rocks on the road here, because if you haven't seen my older videos, during work days here are like 10 to 12 cars, and some are careless enough to block the door regardless of all these signs here. But now it's okay. Now it's for a month I've been fine with no door being blocked anymore. You see how beautiful it is here. Nice walk. I'm enjoying this location. You see the viaduct there, higher. When sun is shining from behind the cliff, then it's even better view than at other times in the day. Wherever you go here on the island, always beautiful view, almost always. There we go, my home is there, below the burnt down building on top there. There is no roof anymore. And the water source is here, below the viaduct. So some people are working hard, even on holidays. Saturday evening. It's good to see people working. Somebody has to work. This could be nice, quite useful in my garden, but I don't have big enough pockets to pick them up today, so another day maybe. These are even better, bigger ones. I'll think about it. These rocks are visible from quite far with the yellow paint next to my garden entrance. But when it's night and heavy rain, they will not be seen from very far. Yeah, it's picking up the speed. Yeah, it's coming even here now. So for safety I do need to cover things in my cave with plastic bag as well. Wherever there is dripping, usually known places already. Yeah, don't forget to make some donations. I have an option on my website. Oh, I got water on my camera, not good. Anyway. Test for the microphones. I got water drop just to a microphone. These are my publicity lamps which I'm discharging now and need to recharge before going to make some street promotion.